Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A luxurious, rustic chic bedroom that functions as a semi-outdoor sanctuary, blending raw natural materials with a tropical landscape. The space is defined by textured concrete walls and a ceiling made of slender wooden slats, from which lush green vines cascade downward. A prominent feature is a large, woven cream-colored hammock stretched across the foreground, suspended above a stone-tiled floor that is bathed in dappled sunlight. In the background, a low-profile bed with neutral linen sits against a wooden accent wall adorned with a large, circular piece of tribal-inspired art. The room opens completely through a large glass sliding door to a private outdoor area featuring a tranquil plunge pool and dense tropical greenery, creating an atmosphere of ultimate relaxation and connection to nature. Minimalist modular cabin characterized by its sharp, angular white frame and warm wood-lined interior. The structure is designed with a slanted roofline that creates a dramatic, asymmetrical silhouette against the urban background. Its front facade is almost entirely composed of expansive glass panels, providing a full view into a cozy, open-plan living space that includes a kitchen with wood cabinetry and a small dining area. The interior is illuminated by soft, recessed lighting, which highlights the natural wood textures of the walls and ceiling. The cabin sits on a sleek wooden deck that steps down into a minimalist landscaped garden featuring gravel paths, low-lying greenery, and accent floor lights, creating a perfect blend of modern industrial design and inviting warmth. Mobile-style living pod characterized by its sleek, rounded rectangular frame and a completely transparent glass facade. The structure is set within a dense, sun-dappled forest, blending modern industrial technology with a wild, natural landscape. The interior is entirely visible, revealing warm wood-clad walls and custom cabinetry that house a bed and various functional living essentials. Several large glass doors are swung open, inviting the outdoors in. The pod features a green roof with lush plants growing along the top edge, while the ground around it is populated by diverse potted plants and tropical foliage, creating a sense of a seamless, self-contained habitat within nature. Capsule-style residence characterized by its smooth, rounded white exterior and expansive glass facades. The dwelling consists of interconnected modular units nestled within a dense, sun-dappled tropical forest. The central module features a large glass sliding door that reveals a warm, wood-lined interior, including a cozy bedroom and a minimalist living area with mid-century modern furniture. Bright orange accents, such as a hanging egg chair and throw pillows, provide a vibrant pop of color against the natural green backdrop. The structure is set on a manicured stone and gravel path surrounded by lush ferns, palms, and varied foliage, creating an atmosphere of seamless, high-tech living within a primitive natural sanctuary. Two-story circular residence crafted from smooth, dark concrete, designed to sit harmoniously within a vibrant rainforest. The structure features expansive, curved glass walls on both levels, providing an unobstructed 360-degree view of the surrounding jungle and a nearby natural waterfall. A distinctive architectural element is the recessed circular ceiling lighting on both floors, which casts a warm, golden glow across the minimalist interior. The lower level opens onto a wide, curved wooden deck that appears to float over a dark, rocky stream. Lush tropical plants and vines grow directly from the edges of the concrete slabs, further blurring the line between the sophisticated, modern habitat and the wild, primeval landscape. A striking contemporary cabin nestled deep within a lush tropical forest, blending raw industrial materials with warm natural elements. The structure features a unique L-shaped design with flat, cantilevered roofs that extend over a wide wooden deck, providing shelter for outdoor living. The facade is a mix of glass and textured concrete, with large sliding doors that fully open the interior to the forest environment. Inside, the home is divided into a cozy lounge with a gray sectional sofa and a bright dining area illuminated by warm accent lighting. The ceilings are lined with natural wood planks, and the interior spaces are bathed in a golden glow that contrasts beautifully with the dense, misty green foliage of the surrounding jungle. The entire house is elevated on a dark metal frame, creating a sense of secluded, sophisticated, and tranquil forest living. A highly functional and stylish indoor-outdoor kitchen that blends modern appliances with lush greenery. The kitchen area is defined by a clean, minimalist aesthetic, featuring concrete-style cabinetry, a sleek stainless steel sink, and a built-in oven. A large, white French door refrigerator stands prominently, flanked by open wooden shelving that displays potted herbs and kitchen essentials. A striking feature is the vibrant vertical garden wall integrated directly into the cabinetry frame, filled with a variety of textured tropical plants. The space is bathed in warm, recessed lighting that highlights the wood grain and foliage. Large glass sliding doors open to a patio area, further emphasizing the seamless connection between the contemporary interior and the natural world. Rustic modern cabin nestled within a dense, misty tropical forest, highlighting its self-sufficient design. The structure is primarily built from warm wood, with a wide, elevated wooden deck that wraps around the front. The most prominent feature is the large array of solar panels mounted across the corrugated metal roof, providing renewable energy to the home. The cabin's interior is visible through various openings, revealing a cozy, warmly lit living space with a large daybed and built-in wooden shelving. Several pendant lights hang from the eaves, casting a golden glow that reflects off the wooden surfaces. The surrounding environment is lush and vibrant, with large banana leaves and ferns crowding the base of the deck, creating an atmosphere of peaceful, off-grid living in deep harmony with nature. A stunning modern modular cabin situated directly on a white sandy beach, surrounded by towering palm trees and lush tropical greenery. The structure is defined by its warm wood slat siding and a black-framed glass facade that wraps around the living area. Its design features a flat, overhanging roof that provides shade for the expansive wooden deck extending toward the sand. The cabin's interior is fully visible through wide-open sliding glass doors, revealing a minimalist living space with wood-paneled walls, a compact kitchen, and a cozy bedroom area in the back. On the deck, a woven lounge chair and a vibrant yellow rocking chair offer a perfect spot for relaxation. To the right, a traditional thatched roof hut adds a rustic touch to the scene, creating an overall atmosphere of luxurious, serene, and sophisticated coastal living. A magnificent multi-level contemporary villa perched on a lush hillside, overlooking a dense tropical forest. The architecture is characterized by expansive wooden cantilevered roofs, black steel framing, and floor-to-ceiling glass walls that disappear to merge the indoors with the outdoors. A prominent feature of the property is the stunning infinity-edge swimming pool, divided into 2 tiers and lined with turquoise tiles, reflecting the clear blue sky. The surrounding wooden deck is furnished with premium lounge chairs under a bright orange umbrella, offering a perfect spot for relaxation. A tall palm tree grows directly through the center of the terrace, further emphasizing the home's integration with the natural environment. The interior, visible through the open glass doors, reveals a warm wood-clad ceiling and a modern open-plan kitchen and dining area, creating an atmosphere of unparalleled luxury and serene tropical living. Organic modern home that feels carved directly from natural stone or earth. The space is defined by massive circular window portals that frame a view of a lush, sun-drenched tropical garden. The walls and ceiling have a rough, textured limestone-like finish, creating a serene, cavernous atmosphere. The living area features low-profile, modular cream-colored sofas that follow the organic curves of the architecture, centered around a large, round ottoman on a textured, wave-patterned rug. To the right, a minimalist kitchen area with vertical wood paneling and warm under-cabinet lighting adds a touch of modern warmth. Sunlight pours through the large circular openings and a small skylight, highlighting the seamless integration of high-end interior design and raw, natural forms. Two-story contemporary residence designed to be fully immersed in a dense tropical jungle. The architecture is defined by horizontal lines, warm wood-clad ceilings, and black steel framing that support expansive cantilevered balconies. Each level is wrapped in floor-to-ceiling glass walls, allowing for seamless views of the surrounding greenery and ensuring the interior is flooded with soft, natural light. A key feature of the design is the abundant integrated greenery. Lush tropical plants and trailing vines spill over the edges of the balconies and rooflines, which are topped with living green roofs. The villa is elevated on slender pillars, with wooden stairs leading up to a wraparound deck on the lower level. The warm, golden interior lighting contrasts with the deep greens of the forest, creating an atmosphere of luxurious, sophisticated, and tranquil living in harmony with nature.